Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do another unboxing. Now before we get into the video, I'm going to get myself a Gold Tooth Stacker Special. I'm going to use my Tooly placemat. And when I say Gold Tooth Stacker Special, for those of you that have seen his latest video, you'll know what that is. And that is one of these vitamin C type drinks. And I think that's the most sensible thing for me to have right now. I was going to get myself a whiskey, but I do really need to get better. There's only a week or so until we hit Christmas Day. I don't really want to be feeling full of flu on Christmas Day. So we're going to be having a Gold Tooth Stacker Special, a nice vitamin C drink. Now I'm going to get these candles lit because I'm trying to get this huge candle down as quick as I can. Need to use another one, I almost burnt my hand off. Yeah, as quick as I can, so that it actually shows the flame on videos, which is taking longer than I actually thought. What is going on with this one? Oh, there we go. The wick's gone to one side. There we go. Right, we're rocking and a rolling. Now, please let me know in the comment section how long you think it's going to take this candle to get down to, say, here. There's a lot of people in my last videos. CY Sterling was one of them. TSC, I think, was another one, who said that I should just cut it in half, except that it's going to take forever to burn down to a reasonable size, and just cut it in half and have two separate candles, or either cut it into three and have kind of three staggered candles. But I quite like the idea of letting it just run its course and just seeing how long it takes to burn down, because I'm going to start only lighting it when I'm filming. I was going to start lighting it when I'm not filming and try and kind of bring it down quicker, but I thought it'd be more interesting to only light it when I'm filming videos and just see how long it takes for it to actually to go down. But yeah, let's have a little sip of this. It's no whiskey, but yeah, it's definitely gonna help soothe my throat. Right, so let's have a little look and decide which one we're gonna unpackage today. Now I think I'm gonna save this one for a little bit longer, because I want the person that sent me this to let me know what I need to do with this one. It does say day 13 in brackets, so I'm not exactly sure what that means. So like I said in my last video, if this is you that sent me this, please let me know if I can open this straight away, or if I do need to wait for a certain day. So yeah, we're going to put this to one side for now, and we're going to go straight in to this one here. Now this only arrived a couple of days ago, and it's really interesting. It's got no return address on there, it's got no clues of who it's from. I don't recognise the handwriting either. So yeah, I'm really not sure what we've got here. So let's get straight into this and have a little look what we've got. Now I've just remembered that I've got this here for a reason today, and the reason I've got this is because we have a new channel member. Silver Punk has just joined the 365 Club. So thank you very, very much, my friend, for joining the 365 Club and supporting the channel. I'm going to get your name printed right now and get you added to the barrel of fame at the back there with all the other 365 Club members. Let's see how that's come out. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Look at that. Silver Punk. For those of you that haven't seen Silver Punk channel, it is Silver Punk Paws, and as it says on the tin, he makes silver paws. He does bespoke, custom pieces, really, really cool pieces. I've had two pieces from him now, and this was the latest edition. Really, really cool. And this was actually 3D printed, then sand casted, I believe that's what it's called. And then he artificially tones it, and it looks amazing. Look at all the colours you get. You get these sort of gold, coppery, blues, purples. Really cool colours that you get. Absolutely stunning piece. Really nice bit of weight as well. So yeah, do head over and have a look at Silverpunk Paul's YouTube channel if you haven't heard of him or seen him already. Really, really cool content, really fresh channel. I really like the way he presents and the way he talks, and he kind of just brings a more trendy side to silver pouring. So let's get him on the barrel. Now normally I do this off camera because it's a bit complicated. I'm going to try not to knock anything over. Let's see how we get on. Oh, spoke too soon, the candle almost went over. I'm going to pop that under there. There we go. Look at this. I hope this is gonna... Yep, there we go. There we go. Silverpunk, you are on the barrel of fame with all the other 365 club members. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. I actually think that looks a bit smaller than the others, don't you think? Silverpunk's name looks a little bit smaller than the other names. So what I think I'm going to do is we're going to reprint his name on the next size up. Now I am going to cut the video and do this because it's started to get a little bit long-winded. Well, what I might do is I might speed it up. There we go. That looks more adequate now, doesn't it? I think everyone else is in the larger font, so it just looked a little bit too small. But you can see these are all the 365 club members. A huge shout out to every single person on this list that has continued to support my channel. Really, really helps. Everything that I've received from this channel, whether it's ad revenue or the money from the 365 club members, all gets injected back into the channel, whether it's giveaways or props for the channel. It somehow makes its way back into the channel. So there we go. Let's adjust it like that so we can see Silverpunk's name on today's video. So there we go. Like I said, thanks again Silverpunk for joining the 365 club. It's much appreciated. But let's get straight into the unboxing of today. Now I have no idea what this is. I'll try and open it carefully. Oh, Cobra's favourite. Wow. Wow, what have we got in here? Look. This could be the TSC Secret Santa. Now for those of you that haven't seen that video, the Stat Collector has arranged a UK Secret Santa for content creators. And I don't know whether this is for that or not. Look at this. Who's done this? Is this Cobra? Right. This is going everywhere. Right, okay, so we have a card here, 365. Wow, look at that. Huge scratch card, £5 scratch card. That is huge. I've never seen a scratch card that big before. Look, doesn't even fit on the screen. Wow, okay, so this is a Christmas gift. Now, is this the Secret Santa? I'm guessing it's a Secret Santa. I really don't want to spoil it if it's a Secret Santa. Right, I think what we're going to do is, I'm not going to open this today, because after all it is a Christmas gift anyway, so it's not that close to Christmas yet. We've still got a week or so to go, but I'm going to leave that there. And the person that has sent me this, please message me either in the comment section of this video or on Telegram or WhatsApp if you've got my WhatsApp, or via email, and let me know if this is a Secret Santa and I need to wait till the chosen date that the Stack Collector picked for us all to upload these videos on, or whether this is just a Christmas gift that I can open now. So please do let me know, because there's nowhere on here that says Secret Santa, and I know the Stack Collector did say to write Secret Santa on the subject of the address, but I just want to wait just in case it is a Secret Santa. I don't want to spoil it and upload it in today's video when there's a chosen date that we're all going to be opening the Secret Santa stuff. But whoever sent me this, regardless whether it's a Secret Santa or whether it's just a Christmas present, really, really generous. So kind of you. Really nicely presented, nicely wrapped. A Christmas card and a scratch card. So kind. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section. But I'm not going to leave you without an unboxing, because I did promise you an unboxing today. So we're going to get this out of the way for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into one of the parcels that I have saved to unpackage. Now, I don't know which one to go for. We're just going to pick number 11. So this is a completely random one. I haven't rolled the dice or anything like I normally do, and that is because I wasn't planning on doing one of these today. But I do want to actually give you an unboxing, because that is what we promised. So let's get straight into it. Now these are probably going to be items that I bought myself, but they could be mail calls. Although this one I've covered my whole address out, so I'm guessing this is something I've brought myself. What is this? I'm just going to have a quick sip of this because my throat is still not 100%. There we go. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so this is from Silver Trader. For those of you that haven't seen Silver Trader's website, it's UK based bullion dealer. He does some really cool stuff. He seems to get a lot of things before some of the other larger bullion dealers. So you see quite a lot of stuff on his site before you see it on kind of Atkinson's or Shards and places like that. So it's definitely one to keep a lookout on his website and see what stuff he's uploading. What is this? Wow, this looks really cool. Right, what have we got here? It's actually nice that I've saved up a few parcels to unbox throughout the next 365 days, because I've forgotten what I brought. Some of these I brought a good few months ago now, so it's a surprise for me as well. We'll start with this side. So it's a 2023 coin. You've got the dates of the Queen's reign there, which are really cool. Reverse proof finish, which looks great. And let's flip it around and see what coin we have. Wow, look at that. That is the Australian Zoo Southern White Rhinoceros. And the reason why I went for this piece is because I really love the detail of the birds sitting on the rhino's head, and there's one on his back as well. I think it's a really nice touch. And I think that it's quite nice that it's got this plain frosted background, because it really focuses your attention on the actual rhino. What a gorgeous looking coin. I really like this capsule as well. It's a bit thicker than your normal capsules, but it really makes the coin feel more substantial, and it makes it pop quite nicely. Wow, look at that. What a gorgeous silver coin. Very, very nice indeed. Let me know if you've got this coin in your collection and what you think of it. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks very much for all the support. Once again, thank you to Silverpunk for joining the 365 Club. I really, really do appreciate it. You'll find a link to his channel in all of my videos descriptions going forward. As for all of the other channel members, you'll also find all of their channels in the description of this video as well. So please do head over and check them all out. But like I said, thanks very much for all the support. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a very nice day.